If you want to join good colleges, of course, there are so many in the country. But if you want to join the best, ISH is the way of life. I think it's one of the best colleges for culinary as well as hospitality in India, because it's a campus which is filled with hoteliers and people who are from the industry. So it just makes it better, because when industry professionals are teaching students who are going to become industry professionals, it of course plays a huge impact. I came to ISH on open days, met with the faculty. I love the environment of ISH. So the moment I entered through the gates of the ISH campus, it was very, very nice. The environment was very hospitable. And then I got enrolled in a 2022 batch. Since then, it's been very, very nice. And the experience has been really good. It's definitely master more than cooking. It's never just culinary, it's the management side as well. You get to learn about HR, finance, marketing, entrepreneurship, food photography, so much more than cooking. I did my 3 years in culinary, but ISH gives you that opportunity in your 4th year to decide your super specialization, and ISH offers different domains. They offer culinary specialization, marketing specialization, entrepreneurship specialization, as well as hotel operations specialization. After your program, if you decide to be an entrepreneur, ISH is always there to support you with the Alana Center for Entrepreneurship, where they guide you on how to start up a business and is always there to support you with your entrepreneurial adventure. We have events going on campus every week. Every week something or the other is happening. Some or the other society is planning something. Some fest is happening. The BBA students are planning something. The BACA kids are planning something. So it's very fun, because after a hectic day, when you get to do fun things, because there's work-life balance in that. If you want to join good colleges, of course there are so many in the country, but if you want to join the best, ISH is the way of life.